Are back. Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 6, lesson 13. We're on pages 71 and 72 today. I'm still Mr. Short. I just like writing it up here now. Some of my other videos are not going to have it, but this one does. Yes, my it never looks the same. I know that. I don't have the best handwriting. I can tell you that. I really don't. But you can read it. So let's get going. All right. Shade 3 rows of 4. Yes, the highlighters get to come out again. Grab them. It says shade 3 rows of 4. Oh, so that's not all of them, because if we look, we have 4 rows. So here's 1 row of 4. All right, make it as neat as you can. I went outside the lines a little bit right there. That's okay. My principal says I go outside the lines a lot. Just kidding. He doesn't really say that to me every day. All right, another one. I grabbed 3 highlighters because it said shade 3 rows of 4. So I grabbed 3 highlighters just to make sure I didn't shade in too many, because I got excited because I get to use my highlighters again. There we go. 3 rows of 4. All right. Draw a number bond to represent the shaded rows. A number bond. All right, so I have 3 rows, but they're all going to add up to one big number. It looks like a spaceship, or I don't know what that looks like, something. All right, sorry. All right, so now a number bond. So I have 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. Well, we can kind of do this together. It says write the repeated addition to match down here. All right, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals. So we see 4 3 times. Remember, this is also the same as 4 3 times equals. And what is that? What's 4 plus 4 plus 4? Or 4 times 3? That's right. It's 12. 12. And make sure you put 12 up there to complete our number bond. All right. Down here, it says draw 2 more rows. Oh, all right. 1, 2. 2 more rows. Write the repeated addition to match the new array. All right, so we have, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows with 2 in each row. So we have to see 2 5 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can add this, right? Or we can count 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Which is the same as, right? We have 5 rows of 2 equals 10. 5 times 2 equals 10. All right, let's look at the back and see what we got. Use the line plot to answer each question. All right. How many fish are longer than 7 inches? Well, lengths of fish Matt catches. Oh, Matt went fishing. He caught a bunch of fish. Inches. So we're going to go here. How many fish are longer than 7 inches? So longer than 7 inches. So not 7 inches. That means everything bigger, greater than 7 inches. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8. Which fish length is the most common? So which one did he catch the most of? All right. How many inches? Right. This is inches. How many did he catch the most of? So the most common means the one that he caught the most. So which one has the most X's? And then it says, how many total fish does Matt catch? Well, you just got to add all these up, or just count every X. I'm going to let you do these two. I'm not helping with these two. That's going to be on you. I'm going to flip this back over, and I'm going to say, this is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, module 6, lesson 13. I'm Mr. Short. Hopefully use some colors on here so yours looks nice and colorful. Make your teacher smile. All right. On that note, guys, we only have a few more of these lessons, and then we're about done, except for the module test. I'll get you prepped for that. All right. See you guys. Have a good night.